The decree passed by those courts would have finality by appropriate endorsement in the registry of the sub-registrar or the civil registrar who has done the registration of the marriage. Now they have taken off that by striking it down. There is no more confirmation procedure which will be adopted by sending it to the High Court. High Court also has held that power to review such a decision under Article 226 or 227 is not excluded by the High Court.
कायदो तज्ञ S.N. जोशीनूय ह्या विशयाचेर आपले मत मांडले.
That people on one side they go under the canonical law, they go for a separate divorce. On the other side, they also institute civil proceedings in the civil courts. On the religious side, they will take an order. On the civil court side also they will take an order, and ultimately for cancellation of registration of marriage, what is required is a judgment from the civil court.
हो कायदो पयलींच रद्द करूंक जाय आशिल्लो म्हूण आदोगाद क्लिओफास सांगता.
The tribunals exercised unfettered discretion in the annulment of marriages, and the travesty of the whole thing was that the High Court was exercising its jurisdiction on the administrative side to enforce those judgments of the tribunal. But the church may not accept a decree of divorce given by the civil court. Hence, Catholics will have to follow these two methods. As far as church marriage, they will have to go to cancel a church marriage, annul a church marriage to the ecclesiastical court, while as far as the civil marriage, it would be dissolved by the civil court. See, when we were member of the Law Commission, in fact, the Goa Law Commission had then recommended to the government to change the law because we felt that the law existing insofar as annulment of marriages granted by the Catholics ecclesiastical tribunals was not just, it was not proper.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.